Okay, we got a 2021 Ford Mustang. We end up adding the shock sensor kit to the factory alarm because what happened to these cars, they're being left on full brakes and they go underneath and steal the catalytic, the converters and stuff like that, or break your window and ransack your car for no reason. But the shock sensor works that it adds on to the factory alarm. All these cars come with factory alarms, but the only way they work is somebody opens the door, and nobody's going to do that. They either take your rims and tires with no need to open the door, or they'll break your window and jump in without opening any of the doors. So by adding the shock sensor to it, the end result will be like if I would install an aftermarket alarm without having the customer have to carry an extra key fob around. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window, and now you're going to see the alarm's going to go off. If you have one of these vehicles or any car that has a factory alarm system, you can always add the shock sensor to give you one more layer of security. And if you have a car out there and you want to know if you have a shock sensor or not, arm it, give it like a minute and beat on the glass, and you're going to see that nothing's going to happen. So yeah, by adding the shock sensor, you get the protection all around. I'm going to go ahead and arm it. I'll bang on this side. And the shock is fully adjustable, so you can adjust the sensitivity how you want it. It lives in the main street, so we don't want to have the shock way too sensitive, because you can have trucks going by, garbage trucks or whatever, and there's no need for that anyway. Either somebody's going to break your window or they're not. You know, some kids, I know the kids like them, that if you touch, you're banging the car real lightly, it goes off. You can have it that way if you're willing to turn off the alarm once in a while on thunder and stuff like that from inside your house. That's fine. But I'm not a fan of that. I like the alarms to go off when they need to go off. We're banging this side. That one I didn't even bang too hard. Just, hit the glass not too hard either. So yeah, this shock sensor add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. If you're out of state, feel free to give us a call, and we can direct you to the right. We can, give you advice how to get this installed in your hometown. Thank you for watching this video.